A whole bunch of seagulls that are out gathered in the golf course that is behind our condo, and they're all scattered here. We have been getting up later, but since we're leaving this morning, we need to get up earlier, so this afforded us the opportunity to see about the other ones. We're lucky, that we see one. They are so neat to watch. I just love them. We're trying to. Yeah, I think I saw some birds I can fly overhead. Yeah, I guess I couldn't get them, but I am grateful for them. Okay, thank you.